Shri पाशखण्डितमखण्ड प्रतापम्
सनकसुतनारद पतञ्जलि पराशर मदङ्ग मुनिसङ्ग सलापम्
सत्यपरमार्जनयन प्रमुद बुद्धिकर तत्त्वमसि नित्यनिगमादिस्वरूपम् प्रभुं प्राणनाथं विभुं विश्वनाथं जगन्नाथनाथं सदानन्दधामम् प्रभुं प्राणनाथं विभुं विश्वनाथं जगन्नाथनाथं सदानन्दभाजम् भगद्भूम्यभूमीश्वरं भूतनाथं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमेवे भूतेश्वरं भूतनाथं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमेवे गणेरुण्डमालं तनौ सत्प्रजालं महाकालकालं गणेशाधिपालम् गणेरुण्डमालं तनौ सत्प्रजालं महाकालकालं गणेशाधिपालम् जटाजूटगङ्गोत्तरङ्गैर्विशिष्यं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमेवे जटाजूटगङ्गोत्तरङ्गैर्विशिष्यं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमेवे मुदामाकरं मण्डलं मण्डयन्तं महामण्डलं भस्मभूषाधरं मण्डलं भस्मभूषाधरम् अनादिवारं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमेवे अनादिह्यवारं महामोहवारं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमेवे शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमेवे महासूरिदासं महत्तत्सदासं महापापनासं सदा प्रकाशं यतीशं गणेशं सुरेशं महेशं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमेवे गिरीन्द्रात्मजातं गृहीतात्मदेहं गिरौ संस्थितं सर्वदा सन्निधेयम् जगच्चन्द्रकान्तं गणानन्दपात्रं त्रिनेत्रं पवित्रं गणेशस्य पुत्रम् जगच्चन्द्रकान्तं गणानन्दपात्रं त्रिनेत्रं पवित्रं गणेशस्य
Thank you very much. And Indian Oil conveys its heartfelt thanks for all. Thank you very much. In the year 2022, measuring 30 by 30 meters frontage and 30 meters depth, totaling to 900 square meters, we have developed this beautiful outlet to serve the public. And the construction of this retail outlet came to conclusion by 9th March 2020. And sir, once again we are very grateful for the support and honor given to Indian Oil to serve you and to serve the public at large. And it is also great pleasure to be associated with such a department which is committed for balancing the law and order and peace among the citizens of Telangana, more specifically Nizamabad. Sir, we are there to serve the public as in the same footpath of Telangana Police. May I request our Chief General Manager Shri Subrat Sir to address the gathering. May I request our divisional retail head Shri Roshan Sir to finish the talk. May I request Kranti Kumar, Sales Officer, Nizamabad, to Sales Area, to felicitate.
निजामाबाद शहर में आज हमारे पुलिस के जो साथ में मिलकर एक रिटेल आउटलेट की यहाँ पर आज स्थापना करने जा रहे हैं। ये और तेलंगाना में काफ़ी सारे जिले में इसके परीक्षण हो चुका था। ये आज मुझे लगता है कि विशेष दिन आज हमारे निजामाबाद के लिए रहेगा। जैसे आपको समझ में आता है कि आज अगर आप कहीं पे भी जाते हैं पेट्रोल बंक में पेट्रोल डीजल वगैरह खरीदने के लिए ये उसके साथ साथ हमारा एक विश्वास जो है वो उसके साथ भी दिखता है। आप अगर मैं बोलूं कि जो भी पेट्रोल और डीजल आपके गाड़ी में डाला आपने उसको देखे भी नहीं होंगे ना उसके कलर भी जानते होंगे। बस जब भी आपके कस्टमर अटेंडेंट आपको बोलता है कि हो गया।
Public gathered here. Good morning to all of you. This fuel station police welfare activities అన్న భాగంగా దీన్ని ప్రారంభించడం జరిగింది. Whatever earnings is there from this fuel station will be used for the welfare activities of all the men in the police department. Also the staff who are engaged here are all from the family members of the police department only. So for having come forward to establish this fuel station in Nizamabad, I thank the Indian Oil Corporation and their officials, which will be a great support to the police department in the welfare activities. I again thank them and thank you for giving the opportunity.
For the kind words, and now to make the occasion more memorable, sir, small. I request Kranti to felicitate our. Now, may I request our
Kalmesh is Commissioner of Police, Nizamabad, Subrat is CGM Indian Oil, and Roshan ji, and Chaitanya IPS Professional, and media and other public gathered here. So I wish Police Department and IOCL for the successful run of this outlet. So two things just now when I reached here, CP Garu informed me that two things. One is whatever profits earned from this outlet will be spent on the welfare activities for the police personnel. Second one, so entire manpower who are going to work in this outlet will be taken from the families in which police are deceased. So these are the like good activities will be taken out by the police commissioner. So another thing, so whenever like just now CGM Subratji informed, so wherever these outlets run by government agencies, either by police department or by prison department, certainly in these outlets sale will be more than double than the private outlets. Generally public trust will be there in these outlets because of these quality and also measurements. There will not be any issue. So once again I will wish the police department and IOCL that it has to be profitable and that they expected. So and police personnel also will be benefited more from this outlet. Thank you.
కానీ అటు మొత్తం అన్నారు కదా.